How to add photo widget on iPhone home screen. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and tap hold on your home screen until the apps on your home screen starts to jiggle. Further, go ahead and tap on the edit button on the top left of your screen, and in the menu that appears, tap on the Add Widget option. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see a bunch of widgets. Simply scroll through and look for the Photos option and tap on that. You will then be required to select the size based on how it appears on the home screen. Finally, tap on the Add Widget button and then tap on the Done button in order to save the changes you just made, and with this, the Photos widget will be added. So this is how you can add Photos widget on iPhone home screen. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.